What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It's Dad here from Dad's Simple Cooking. I got an easy, simple dump cake for you. It's like a dump cobbler almost. A few weeks ago, I made the strawberry dump cobbler. Well, today, this blueberry is going to make a blueberry one because it sounded delicious to me. But we're also going to mix it with lemon because blueberry and lemon just sound great. But there's a twist. Last time I used 2 cans of blueberry, but I said, what if, just what if, I use 1 can of blueberry and 1 can of lemon pie filling. Combine them, and let's make something magical. So if you like easy dump cakes where you can just dump and go, and it's going to be delicious with a little cream cheese hint to it, this recipe is for you. And if you love blueberries like I do, because I'm a big blueberry today, you're going to love this dish. So let's get started. This is pretty simple. This is a pretty simple dish. Here's what you're gonna need. 1 can of blueberry pie filling, 1 can of lemon pie filling, a stick of butter, some cream cheese, and a box of your favorite cake mix. I did the lemon supreme because I want blueberries and lemon to live together in happiness. So that's what we're gonna do. Vanilla and some sugar. We're gonna preheat our oven to 350 degrees. And we're gonna combine. Now our lemon pie filling. And I guess the question is, can I make this better than the strawberry one? That's the big question. Blueberries and lemon go great together though. So I'm just going to mix them in together as I spread them around. All right, cream cheese time. Get your cream cheese. Because room temperature is better. Mine's not. So I'm going to throw it in the microwave for a little bit to get it to room temperature. So we got our cream cheese. It's been heated up. I have a little helper joining me. A blueberry lemon dump cake. How about, it's been a while, but why don't you crack an egg? A splash of vanilla. Do not eat this because it has raw eggs in it.
Okay, I know. I won't eat it. No, you want egg in me.
I know, that's why you can't try it. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take this. We're gonna get a big spoon, and I want you to go just like this.
I'll help you.
Good job.
Hey, it's asky, Dad. No. Cake up. No, I want to eat the cake. Is it sushi?
Because we're going to take cake mix and we're going to put it on top. We got to dump it out evenly, not all at once. We're just going to take our stick of butter. All right, and just like that, it's already done. 15 minutes, you got a dump cake, throw it in the oven, and it's time to cook. But can it be better, or is this going to be better than the strawberry dump cake we just did? I got a purple bowl with my purple shirt for my purple, I guess, cobbler. Blueberry lemon dump cake. Blueberry lemon cream cheese dump cake. Now, when I tried the strawberry one, I tried it hot and I also tried it cold. And cold is really good. I feel like I might need some ice cream for this when it's warm, but so it's like the perfect blueberry cobbler. Like the lemon's great with the blueberry, they work together, and then the lemon cake on top. That's a crowd winner right there. This is gonna be perfect cold. I'm gonna be honest, I already know. It's steaming. Delicious. 10 out of 10. Vanilla ice cream would recommend. Simple cake box and pie filling, y'all. Easy day. So y'all, if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Drop below what other pie fillings you think would be great. Maybe for a fall flavor. A spice cake with caramel apple pie filling. I don't know. Who knows? That their ideas are endless. So I love you. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.